You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Yes, and this one is indeed a little bit confusing. The spelling makes it a bit confusing, and there are different pronunciations. I'm afraid this is a name that is originally from Irish, pronounced in Irish as Aislyn. Yes, Aislyn, but that's not exactly the Irish spelling. So I believe many pronounce this one in English as Aislyn. Do you pronounce it Aislyn or any other ways? Aislyn maybe, or Aislyn like the original Irish pronunciation? Definitely in Irish, Aislyn. In English, often Aislyn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.